Hi, Rocky here with Neighborhood Ventures here at Marlette and ready to show you all of the things that have been going on. Really happy with the progress that's been going on, not only with the exterior, but also the finishing touches that have been going on in the interior. Let's take a look. As you can see, interiors are done. So satisfying to see these units finally come together. So good when the vision actually translates into reality. All we needed were the finishing touches. We have the shelf, we have the appliances. Throughout the unit, we also have installed blinds, mirrors, all of the lighting, and the way that it's come together, it just really feels like home. So every property that we do is totally different. This one actually allowed us to do these small patios that come off of the master bedroom of the units on this side. I love the way that they've turned out. We brought in the same stain that we used in the courtyard to kind of not only beautify this area, but also the exterior, because you can see this from the street. And while I'm here, let me point out that the meter box is in, which means we get electricity. We're very excited about that because it's hot here, and I'm ready for air conditioning as I do these updates. This was master metered initially, and now it is individually metered, which increases the efficiency and the function. Again, another upgrade that we decided to do here. So in the courtyard, we have the fencing totally done. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. The warmth of the stain contrasts so nicely with the paint colors that we chose, which are pretty graphic, black and white, and the wood really warms it up just like I hoped it would. So the exterior actual building is completely done. The only thing that's left to do is a little bit of the landscaping, but as you can see, the turf is in, the paver pads are in, you can see some plants that are ready to be planted. It looks like it's a little far away, but this is actually the time where it comes together pretty quickly. Landscape is typically the last thing we do, and all we have to do is pave the parking lot and we are good to go. As you may remember, the dumpster was sitting out here in plain view, full sight. It was really hideous. We're gonna partially enclose it because it does have to stay here, but I think the partial enclosure will help dramatically. And then we also have our numbers up, 813. We put in curbing that will really allow the landscaping that we're doing to really shine, and then the rest of it will be grass. Thank you for joining me for another renovation update at Venture on Marlette. It's been such a privilege to be here from the very beginning, where it was old and dilapidated, and there were a lot of issues like the master meter that needed updating, but then it also needed a total different feel, and I feel like that's what we achieved here. So it's been an absolute pleasure watching it go from what it was to what it is now. Thank you so much for following along. I'm Rocky with another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update.